Welcome to The Passion Pod with your host, Chris Johnson. Thanks for joining us. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the feature presentation.
So can you tell me about yourself? Who are you?
I'm Matt Demarais. I'm the banjo player for Laney and the Bird Dogs. I'm from Great Falls, Montana. I'm a Capricorn, and I like sausage and candy.
Dude, me too. And you have a better shirt than me. You might have the best.
I disagree. I think yours is way cooler.
You might. You might have the best shirt. I guess we'll find out. So, how many times have you been to Blue Ox?
This is my maiden voyage. This is my first time.
Oh wow. Okay,
yeah.
Cool. So, who else have you seen here that you were really excited about? Who's performed that you were surprised and you're like, damn, this guy rules, or this band rules?
We, to be perfectly honest, we didn't get until like midnight last night, so we didn't get to really see. We caught like the last maybe 10 minutes of Paul Cawthon's set. I got to see the boys from Armchair Boogie and their new band, or their little side project, play on this backwoods stage last night for half a set or two. But other than that, we kind of got in late, so we're kind of just soaking it all up today.
Awesome. So you're ready to see all the different acts.
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool. So what does your band sound like? If somebody who hadn't heard you before, if you're going to try to describe it, what's your music like?
We are, I'd say, like high energy, kind of bluegrassy, stomp, grass, post-contemporary power slop. I don't know. There's so many like different ways to describe everything. It's just high energy bluegrass, high energy folk, we'll say.
Gotcha.
High energy Americana.
Sick.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been a band?
This will be our eighth year total, and then this is our fourth year as a full-time touring band.
Oh, you're touring completely full-time?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Rad. What's the biggest fest that you've played so far?
We've done a bunch of them. We've done Northwest String Summit, this one. We've done, well, actually this is the first one, but like first time for this one, but we've done a bunch of Colorado, the Targhee Bluegrass Fest, there's so many I can't think of them right now. Done a lot.
What's your favorite random city that you've been to?
That
you're like, I want to go back to there. I feel like small venues are the ones that have the biggest impact, where you're like, this is cool.
Randoms. Well, I'll tell you what, we are in Wisconsin at Potter's Shed up in Shell Lake.
Sick. Did you just do that?
Yeah, we just did that.
Yeah, I saw signs for it. That's rad. I've never actually been up that way.
That place was pretty cool, but yeah, it was awesome. It's not a random city at all, but we had a great time in Chicago just like a week ago. You can get some trouble in Chicago. Yeah,
getting up to any big city where you can reach a different audience is always the key. Yeah. Have you guys been going pretty nationwide, or how is the furthest out you've gone?
We're right now. We're pretty well known out west, like all the western kind of Rocky Mountain, Pacific Northwest, and western states. We're fairly versed in, and we just started within the last 2 years, year and a half, going out east.
Oh, okay, cool.
Southeast and kind of Midwest, and so we're trying to spread it more east right now.
Well, and being on here, this is going to get everybody in Eau Claire even more familiar with you, so you're going to have a super concentrated base right here. What's next for you guys? Where are you going?
We're going home tonight or tomorrow, and then back to the West Coast. We have some Idaho shows, we have some Utah shows, some Washington shows, a couple Montana shows that are pretty sweet, and then back into the southeast, kind of like fall time.
Any new music coming out?
Yeah, we got lots of new music coming out. We're planning on recording an album in probably December.
Dope. Well, we'll have to look out for it. What's a song that is currently out that we can play right now?
Oh, what do we got? Let's do Crow. That's a good Josh tune. It's called Black Crow. I think it's on our newest album.
Slow meat, don't nobody know why the black crow don't sing. No black dog sitting by the fence post, calling out, hollering out, waiting on the food bowl. Everybody know you don't feed no stray dog. snake, don't go home. The old blind man sitting on the front porch, picking out his days, thinking there's one more. Knowing all along death is at the back door. Front porch, picking out his days, thinking there's one more. No, 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 death is at the back door. Oh, Lord, oh, no, I've played this game before. Let go, oh, no, I can't sing for you no
Thank you for joining us for this episode of The Passion Pod. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. We'll see you soon.